Hi guys, welcome to Mark Sherry's Kitchen. Today's recipe is egg muffins stuffed with smoked pancetta, onions and cheese. So let's get cooking. To our frying pan we add some olive oil, then we add half an onion, 250 grams of smoked pancetta. Let it fry for a few minutes until the pancetta and the onion is translucent and the pancetta is cooked. Now we remove the mixture and allow it to cool down before we add it to our muffin tin. So let's make our egg mixture. We get 6 eggs into a jug, give them a bit of a whisk. I don't add any salt to this recipe because, to be honest, there's enough salt coming from the smoked pancetta. Now we add about 30 ml of milk just to loosen the egg mixture up and to help break up any whites that are in the middle. And finally we have about 5 grains of black pepper, and again give it a good stir to get it all incorporated. So I've oiled a muffin tin and I'm just going to add the pancetta and onion mixture. Now we're going to top that there with some grated cheddar cheese. And pour over our egg mixture. Don't fill them right to the top because they will expand as you cook them in the oven. Now once the muffins are filled, just give the tray a little tap to take any air bubbles out and let's get cooking. So we preheat our oven at 180 degrees centigrade. That's a fan oven or 200 for an ordinary oven. So we cook them for 10 to 15 minutes, just depending on your power of your oven. And let's remove them. So now we leave the muffins to sit for about 10 or 15 minutes and it separates them then from the tray. They're much easier to lift out. So as you can see, these have puffed up. They're looking really nice and brown. Let's get them out of the tray. And there folks, we have our fluffy egg muffins. Great for lunch, breakfast, snacks. Pop them in the microwave for a few seconds. Enjoy.